Alright, just got back from the Red River Gorge and got home to find this nice package sitting in my office. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing here to see what all we have in it. So let's take a look. Do not open with sharp objects. I guess that's sharp. Maybe we won't. Let's see if we can do it without a knife. Kitty Christmas. Alright, what all do we have in here? We got some hardware. It's like some mitten hooks. And some line lock hooks. Nice little bag of hardware. Got some shot cord. Stretchy. Looks like some reflective guy line. Let's see. Ooh, some poly straps with sewn in Dutch hooks and beetle buckles. These actually look bigger than the ones I have now. Maybe just because they're new and shiny and clean. It's like we have a couple of continuous ridge lines. Got the wasp on this end and the Dutch hook on this end with the what we call these soft shackles for attaching it to the hammock. All right, all kinds of fun stuff in here. Oh, this looks like a tarp sleeve. And another tarp sleeve, I think. That's what this is. Yeah, it's the mesh tarp sleeves. A couple of those. This is just a Dyneema stuff sack. Let's see, what do we have in here? Let's see. First of all, got another piece of Dyneema. It's the Polar Jammer cover. No, just kidding. It's the double-ended stuff sack. Let's see. What do we open next? Can't even remember what all I ordered. Let's see. Oh, my camera keeps going off. Sorry. This came with instructions, whatever it was. Oh, okay. This is a Undercoat Protector. I'm not going to take that out. I'll do a review of all these individual pieces later. This is just going to be an unboxing. So, Undercoat Protector. Let's put that back in there. I mentioned this was from Dutch, right? Got too excited. Let's see. This is one of Dutch's asymmetrical tarps. I was going to try this out for a summer tarp. That thing is packs down really small. Like I said, I'll get this all built out and do another video about that. And this looks like a Dutchware Chameleon. Nice. I can't wait to get this set up to show you guys and try it out for myself. Still got one more box coming from another place. I won't say where yet, but yeah, it's of course it doesn't have the bug net on it or anything like that, but man, it's light. We'll go over the specs with the when I do a video on this itself. And here looks like we have the bug net for the Chameleon, and I think I got the it's the one you can lay either direction. Asymmetrical, I think. I can't remember. But bug net. And, excuse me, got the pull-outs for the Chameleon. And this is going to be the sidecar. Oh yeah. And I can't wait to get all this set up and show you guys. Cool. There's some more tie outs. Maybe this goes with the sidecar, maybe. And the bill. Oh no! Yeah, let's see. Dutchware card. Got a couple of Dutch stickers. And put one of these on the truck. And oh, these are all the cards telling you how to use what you got. Here's the Dutch wasp. The Dutch hook. Beetle buckle suspension. And Dutch clips. But my Dutch clips should be sewn on, so I shouldn't need that. Where the Dutch clips go. What a nice present to come home to from a fantastic trip to the Red River Gorge. Met so many new people. It was so much fun. I love Dyneema. yeah, so I got the sewn in Dutch hooks on the 15-foot poly straps. This is a suspension I have for my other hammock now, and I really love the simplicity of this. I'm going to use this to make my guy lines for, and this will be just a ditty bag for all the tarp stuff, and just some shot cord for making stuff, plastic parts, and the tarp cover, tarp sleeves. I think that's it. Man, what a way to top the weekend off. I'll do, once I get all this built out, maybe I'll do some videos, I'll build it out, and then we'll do a setup on the Chameleon and on the tarp and the other couple items that are on the way. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace out.